The Thermaltake View 380 Snow is an elegantly designed mid-tower chassis that showcases dual-tempered glass panels, offering a stunning view of your PC components. Equipped with 4 pre-installed hydraulic bearing, 120mm ARGB Lite Fans, this case provides vibrant and customizable lighting effects that are easily synchronized with major motherboard brands. The innovative dual-chamber design of the View 380 Snow supports Hidden-Connector Motherboards, allowing for a sleek and cable-free appearance that enhances the aesthetic and airflow. This case provides exceptional flexibility in cooling solutions, accommodating up to 10 and 20mm fans, and supporting multiple radiator sizes, including a 360mm option on the top. With ample space for various components, it supports a maximum video graphics array length of 415mm and a central processing unit cooler height of 160mm. The front I/O ports include modern connectivity options, such as a Gen.2 USB 3.2 Type-C port, ensuring your setup is both future-proof and user-friendly.